and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I wash my box braids because, well, I'm wearing box braids and they need washing really badly. So I'm just gonna film it to show you guys how I do it. I am by no means a professional in washing box braids. I'm just gonna do it the way that I think is best to reduce frizz because it is pretty old. Well, they are pretty old now. I've been wearing them for about 4 weeks now, and I actually haven't washed them since I've been wearing them, and I usually try and wash my hair every week or every other week when I'm not wearing box braids. So my hair is definitely due for a wash. My scalp is very itchy and I have a lot of buildup, so I'm just gonna try and wash it and get rid of all that buildup because I'm not quite ready to take the braids out yet. If I was, I would just take them out and wash my hair, but I want to at least wear them for another week. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash it and show you guys how I do it. So I'm going to be using my spray bottle with water, and I'm just going to add shampoo to the water, and I'm going to try and spray it directly on my scalp or like the roots of my hair. It's already grown out quite a bit, and there is a little bit of buildup at the roots of the braids, like where the braid starts. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll try and show it to you guys. Like if you look on the new growth, there's a lot of flaking in it. There's a lot of white stuff, and it just really needs a wash. I don't know if you guys can even see it, but there's a lot of buildup. Oh, and for those of you that are wondering, the hair that I am wearing is the Expressions hair, the braiding hair that I feel that everybody uses, but it is Expressions, and I'm wearing the color 4, and I just have a little bit of blonde in it. So I have 3 packs of hair in my head. It looks like a lot more, but the way that the girl braided it, I don't know how she got it so long and the braids so thick, because I wanted the jumbo braids. So I'm not sure how she did it, but she did a really good job, and she made it work with just 3 packs of hair. So I have 2 packs of the color 4 Expressions hair and 1 pack of blonde, and they are really long. Like that's where it reaches. I'll show you guys in the back. I don't know if you can see, but they're like to my bum, so it's really long. Anyway, I'm just gonna get started. I have my spray bottle of water. There's not that much water in it, and I'm sorry if you guys can hear Christian. He's playing with himself and he's a very noisy baby. But yeah, I have my spray bottle of water, and I'm gonna be using my Cream of Nature with Argan Oil from Morocco, sulfate-free moisture and shine shampoo, the shampoo that I always use. And I'm just gonna go ahead and squirt some in my bottle of water. Ooh, that actually looks really cool. I'm just gonna squeeze. I'm gonna squeeze like not that much, but a good bit of shampoo in there, and that is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see, but that actually looks really cool. I'm just gonna shake it up. And I didn't put too much water, but not too little water, because I don't want my hair to be super soapy. Because my braids are so thick, I don't want the soap to be stuck in my braid and I can't rinse it out. So I'm just gonna be focusing on the base of my hair, on the roots and the base of the braids, washing that part because that is the part that is very dirty. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and section my hair into half so it's a little bit easier to work with. I have a hair tie here, so I'm just gonna put this side in a ponytail, and I'm gonna start on the right side. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the water along the parts of my hair.